Hey everybody, sneak peek video for June 24th of 2021. Ready? We've got some doll clothing for $5. We have 5 of them available for the 18-inch dolls, which is American Girl, all that stuff. Stone & Company brown purse, $30. Number 3, pet garden flag, $10. Number 4, crossword puzzle books, really big ones, really fun ones, $5, a bunch of those. Number 5, the best paw forward Christmas decoration house, $10. It does light up. Number 6 is a facial massager for $10. Number 7 is a Revlon brush hair dryer, $20. Number 8 is the Corelle dish set, $40. Number 9 is a Rossetti blue purse crossbody bag, $20. Number 10 is our very last LED lantern for $15. Number 11 is a Califon fry pan set. You get both of those pans, 8-inch and 10-inch, and you will get them for $40. Number 12, an extra large women's belt with a ratchet style, $10. Number 13 are our decorative windmills, $20. Number 14 is a window valance for $5. Number 15, Christmas tree bag, fits up to a 9-foot tree, $10. Number 16, an Anolon deep skillet, 12-inch, $30. Number 17 is a Popstar stage for $10 only. Number 18 is a microfiber flannel twin sheet set, deep pocket, green in color, $10. Number 19 is a Crayola marker maker set for $10. Number 20 is a Melissa and Doug large puzzle set. You get multiple puzzles, everything in that stack for $15. Number 21 is another Melissa and Doug puzzle set. There's 3 puzzles there for $15. Number 22 is this yellow box of puzzles plus the puzzle underneath it for $20. So you get both puzzles for $20. Number 23, you get a 100-piece purple box puzzle set. Both of those there for $20. Number 24 is a roll of red vinyl, $15, 2 of them available. Number 25 is a blue box puzzle set. One has 300, one has 100 for $20. Number 26 is a 3-bundle puzzle set. You get 1,000 piece. There's one underneath it there, and then that cool wooden tree puzzle for $20. Number 27 is the medieval toothpick knife, $5, 4 of them available. Number 28 is this cool baseball serving dish, 3 of them available at $10 a piece. Number 29, these are super popular with the kids. This is the Among Us popper, orange in color, $5, 5 of them available. Then we have number 30, is the black one for $5, 5 of those available too. Number 31 is the bosom dagger at $5, 4 of them available. Number 32 is the green flag hat, $7.50 each, 3 of them available, a nice embroidered flag. Number 33 is a pull-a-pup toy. It's got a bunch of push buttons for preschoolers, $7.50, 3 of them available at the discounted price. Number 34, red copper straws are discounted for the fire sale, $7.50, 5 of them available. Number 35 is the bright eyeshadow set, 2. You're going to get 2 packs. Each pack has 10 color eyeshadow palettes in it, so you're going to get basically 20 color eyeshadow palettes for $5. So you get 2 of them at the $5 price, 5 of them available. Number 36 is an art variety set, 5 of them available at $5. Number 37 is our cosmetic mirror set. We're discounting it for this fire sale. Only 3 of them available at the $12.50 price. Number 38 is a Cuisinart colander that with extendable handles to fit any sink, $15, 2 of them available. Number 39 is an easy pocket pan set where you can do triangle or square shaped items, $10, 5 of them available. Number 40 is the Minecraft stationery set that we have discounted for this fire sale. Only 5 of them available at the discounted $7.50 price. Number 41, a fun fuzzy plush set, 6 different animals for only $25. You get that whole box of fun animals. Number 42 is a 3-box knife set. Let me show you what you get. For $20, you're going to get the deer knife with the display box. You're going to get the bear knife with the display box. and your bass fishing knife with the display box. So all of those you get for 20 bucks. Number 43 is the Proverbs 31 pillow, $15. It's dark on one side and that beautiful leather look on the other. $15 for available. Number 44 is a 12-pound weighted blanket at $30. Then we have number 45 is our round stone fountain. We have a discounted price for this fire sale only. We're making room for new product, $25. 3 of those available. It comes with the motor and pump and everything to make it run. Then we have the tool-tiered bowl fountain, $25. It can be indoor or outdoor, 25 bucks. 3 of those available as well. Then we have our Oster 2-pound loaf bread maker for $30. 2 of those available. Then we decided to make some really fun bundles. So this is our spicy popcorn bundle. It has all spicy flavors. And then we threw in a ranch because we do have buffalo wing. Ranch and buffalo wing always go together. And so this is our spicy popcorn bundle at $20. 3 sets available. You get 4 bags of popcorn for 20 bucks. And then number 49 is our sweet popcorn bundle. You get 4 bags of popcorn for $20 as well. Only 3 sets of these available. And of course, last but not least is our savory popcorn bundle at $20, and you get 4 bags of popcorn for $20 for that as well. So hopefully you enjoy our fun new bundles we put together and some fun things that we have on the fire sale. We'll see you at noon Central Standard Time right here on the YouTube channel. Check the Facebook page for the link if you want to get here early. And thanks so much, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.